Right, so latest generation BMW M2. We've fitted the BlackVue Box. So if you're not aware of this particular model that the BlackVue offer, rather than the conventional one where all the SD card and everything is in the main camera in the front window, this has an additional box, which means you can hide that away. So if somebody did grab the camera, they're just grabbing a camera and no video footage whatsoever. But also there's no way that somebody can tamper with the cameras themselves. So if it goes into a dealership, they can't be disconnecting your camera, they can't be turning the camera up in the air so it's not recording or anything. So it's an added sort of security upgrade camera that you can add to the car. So in this particular one, you'll also find that the cameras are a little bit smaller as well. So just got obviously the front camera, which is there, and then the rear one, which is basically there. Now on the BMWs we always put them to the side, not in the middle, because of the brake light. So if we fitted it in the middle and then took the cable for the brake light, when you put the brake light on from the outside you would see the cable, which is not very nice. I know you don't physically see it while driving, but it's not something I like. And then because the camera is such a wide angle lens, you don't really know that it's actually not in the middle. And then on this particular one, we've hidden the unit underneath the floor, where the main battery is on this particular car. And then we've also hidden a battery pack in there. There will be further images on our Instagram of where we've actually fitted those and what that looks like. So if you've got a latest generation BMW and you're wanting some extra upgraded video security for driving as well as parking security, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.